Hello and Happy New Year. This is Genette Howard with Queen City Sisterhood. I recently have been fighting a major health battle, and right now I'm recovering my health and strength, and I've got a promise from God that I am going to recover all, and I plan to do that in 2019. And I want to invite you to come and join me in recovering all. If you have experienced your own personal setback or loss in your relationships, finances, health, in any area of your life, you can recover. You need to know a few things to be able to do it. And that's why I am hosting a special breakthrough brunch on January 26th for women. We're calling it Recover All. We're going to be sharing stories of hope and strategies to rise. You don't want to miss it. Click the link for more information, and I hope to see you there.